So how am I doing now, B? So how long you go out there for? Jaja. You have to remember, say, as soon as you free up, if you reach a footing, because you have a business around out there, you hear that? Alright. No man, I joke this. Let actually. No man, Nettie. I can't believe I joke thing this man. If I didn't know you're not gonna make it today, better you didn't tell me that man. Better you didn't just tell me you're not gonna make it today to get somebody else to deal with. Oh, you're there. Yeah, you can't say morning.
Morning, Orlando him name.
So that for?
I get instruction for call you by your full name and that me I do, sir.
Now, if you're there from about 11 o'clock, and actually 1:30 now.
Hello, remember say today I'm a day off, and this man you call me and ask me that.
If you know you never did ever make it the time when I ask you, you know, could have tell me say you go 1 hour later or something?
Orlando, sir, remember say at 3 o'clock I normally come here. So why you want me come here from 11 o'clock?
Because normally the bar open from 11 o'clock.
My working hours are 3 o'clock on a Wednesday. If you want somebody to help you earlier, call your woman.
Oh, that's a one. How you have against her?
Me, my love, me not have nothing against her. I wish she have against me. Remember say she said me for call her Orlando, you know. And she said she will work on a Wednesday. So where she there now? I don't know you stress my fine now, bad my nerves.
So that make you go on so? Sherry did say something wrong to you? She only tell you so she will take over Wednesday, so I don't see where style for any attitude.
Oh, so you say my attitude, but you know it's a fair attitude.
Attitude? Sherry give you attitude?
So you think I lie me I tell? Alright, me I go show you what she do. No like me another bar, yeah? And when me ask her if she work at JPS, see her, yeah? How will Orlando there?
She do that?
Sure do that. Then you come go like me have attitude.
Yeah, but remember say we never out here when she do that, you know?
That's why you never fi say nothing, cause you never out here.
Well, that's true that still. I never know say she give attitude.
So how she not there today? When say juice burger lock on Wednesday and she go fully in.
Oh, until you say a little emergency come up, you know. So she end up at a little place, you understand?
So she gone a foreign. Oh, I see. And that's why you use me today. And you never normally use me.
Let you know what I put it down here, man. How you do? If you remember, say me I pay you double for your day, you know.
Money is not all that, you know. I wash me that wash. And see rain come down there and wet up my clothes them. You gonna pay me double for that?
So they know say you are busy, you could have just said that, you know. More than for you, I go put me on spot, you know.
Oh, yeah, I said that no. Because I'm there. You need to tell a woman say she need to know how to talk to people.
Sorry about that. Now I got my again, yeah. Maybe I show you the dance on your phone still.
Then I saw she insecure. Somebody answer her phone and she start act up. She don't know some work here.
But by right, you should answer my phone still.
You see the circumstance? You outside a war with somebody and your phone a ring. You don't know if it's a business call.
You have a point still.
No worry yourself, Lando. Oh, Orlando. When she's back, I won't be here. So she can have all the Wednesdays for herself.
Alright. First, we're supposed to come drop off the agate and the breadfruit and soon forward. So if anything, I'll go there around here, so yeah?
Alright.